Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. In today's video we'll be working here guys on a Chevy Cruze and we'll show you guys how to remove or how to replace trunk lid. Stay with us, we'll cover everything from start to finish. Quick introduction guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on Chevy Cruze and more than 200 videos on every car. Why we do all that guys? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video for all the work we do guys and all the free information we provide to you. If you guys want to save even more money, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can get guys parts and tools for a super good price, fast shipping as well. Let's go ahead, start on it and show you what needs to be done to remove and replace that trunk lid now. So what we need to do first guys, we need to open the trunk and now we need to go ahead and remove that carpet liner. Okay, right here, the whole thing from start to finish. So we get a clip removal tools and we just start disassembling. How we do that, we pull the centerpiece out. Okay, check it out now. Perfect, right there. Okay, pull that centerpiece out, pull the whole clip guys. Perfect, you need to pull the whole centerpiece out, not just a little bit. It needs to come all the way out. And when it does, okay, you can pull the clip as well. Okay, perfect, just like that. So you can see how many we have. Now we have one more right here that we need to remove. You have to be extremely careful. If you need to buy replacement clips guys, we'll have the link in the description of the video below where you can purchase some. And again, all the tools that we use, if you need to buy panel removal tools, clip removal tools, all that will be listed there as well. So this one is out. Now what else we have? We have one right there. Okay, that's a little bit hidden, but we need to get this one as well. Perfect. Now on top, right there guys, we need to remove that one. And you can see it started getting loose. Okay, but this one, okay, we need to do that one as well. We forgot about it. Perfect, let's do that one in the corner here. So you just go with the plastic tube to break it loose and then you go with the metal one and just remove it. Perfect. Okay, let's see. Okay, that cover just came out guys. This is for the trunk. It just slides over. Okay, it just goes in like that. It has only two clips. You can see and you pull it out. Now, always make sure you collect all your clips. Don't lose them. If you break them, again, it's possible because sometimes they get stuck. We'll have the link where you can purchase them guys in the description of the video below. Okay, great. Just a few more now. I think we have only 3 and then we have 2 more screws that we need to remove in order to get that carpet liner out of the way. Okay, just one more. Where it is? Right there guys, towards the back. So let's go ahead and remove that one now. So altogether you can see it took us about 3 minutes to remove that piece without stopping the camera. Now 7mm socket guys, this is a great electric screwdriver. Just go ahead, remove 2 screws for that handle here. Perfect, very long screws. I'll place them in. Now, okay, we have one more clip guys, hidden, right there, in the middle. Otherwise everything else should have come out. If it doesn't come out, you still have a clip, something holding somewhere. So be careful. Now grab it. Okay, the handle right here. That handle needs to go. Okay, get it out of the clip, pull it through the carpet liner, okay, and get it out. You can see it just like that. So next guys, in order to remove the trunk lid we need to disconnect all the wiring harness. So let's start on this side now guys. Okay, we need to disconnect now the lock release cable here. So we have two clips on the inside that if you squish with your fingers you can push it out, guys. Okay, one of them gets stuck, so if I help it while one person is pushing on it, okay, it should come out just like that. Now we have one more there. Okay, let's go this way now. Right here we need to disconnect these ones. Perfect. Now right here the same thing, guys. On the inside you have one clip and you have on the outside one. Okay, so we hold it like that. Okay, let me hold it now, and I'm going to, okay, trying to see if I can get a little bit of light. Okay, I almost came out. I hit those things. Okay, that was almost the finger there. So let us show you what it looks like now. Okay, that's the clip. Right there. You can see these two things, that's what you're squishing in and pulling out. Now we need to disconnect it, that gray thing. Okay, grab it with your nails and pull it back. Okay, now press in and disconnect the light. Perfect. We just have a few more. We guys have one connector here that we need to remove for the, okay, this is for the trunk release and for the lights, for the tag light. So same kind of clip. I'm telling you, those are no fun at all, guys. This one came out. So let's release one more here and the lock, the trunk lock. Okay, there you have one clip that you need to push in and disconnect it. Okay, right there. So what next, guys? So now we just have a few more, okay, that we need to disconnect right there. Let me see if you can see like that. One more there. We have one more of those that you squish one side and then push the other one. Sometimes they come pretty easy, guys. Sometimes they break if you try to pull them too hard. So be careful. Okay, this one there now. This one just stays there because we're going to remove the trunk lid only. You can see now everything is free, guys. Only thing that we need to do is disconnect that wire. Practically this one we didn't even have to remove it because the trunk will just come out. We're not going to remove the hinge. If you want to see how to remove the hinge, guys, we have the video on the channel how to replace them. The mechanism is right there underneath. So not very complicated, by the way. Now we'll get, guys, a 10mm socket now. 10mm socket, and we're going to remove 4 bolts. So let's start with, okay, these two here, and I'm going to hold now the trunk lid, otherwise you're going to break your rear window. One is out, second one out. Hold it, guys, good. You need 2 people, at least maybe 3 for that. Okay, I'm trying to balance here on my head too. So, okay, I'll need 1 person to grab it. Okay, perfect. And the trunk lid, guys, the whole assembly came out of there just like that. That's how you remove it. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.